Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print Excel on one page. Open an Excel sheet. As you can see, there is a vast data from column A to column L. If we make it our print area and go to this print option, as you can see, only name and marks are selected from the third section. As you can see, there is a line, so this is set as a print area, but we have selected these two parts also, right, for the L column too, but these are not in the print scale. So what we have to do is we have to lower our margins, make it as as low as possible, and still it's in J column, till J column. So what we have to do is now we have to go to scale to fit option and lessen our scale. As you can see, it's now 2K. If we lessen more, it will be, let's make it 80%. Now if we make it to our print area, it will be set as our print area. As you can see, the whole print area is now obtained. The whole print area is now shown. There are 3 different sections from here. So yeah, this is how you can increase your print area. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.